Surgical technologists serve as key members of the medical team, assisting surgeons in the operating room. They must be able to think on their feet, keep cool under pressure, and work well as team players. The El Centro College Surgical Technology Program prepares you to go straight to work as a surgical technologist and is accredited by the Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education Programs. Students gain hands-on experience performing simulated surgeries in one of our 4 surgical suites, often with former students returning to offer their knowledge and experiences of working with real surgeons. Later, students will have opportunities to work with real patients as they begin their clinical rotations at facilities all over the Metroplex. Successful graduates are eligible for the National Board of Surgical Technology and Surgical Assisting Certified Surgical Technologist exam. Certification is a requirement for employment as a surgical technologist in the state of Texas.
This program has really helped me into doing the clinicals I am now. I feel prepared, I'm ready, I have that knowledge behind me that I learned in my first semester. Just getting that basic knowledge. When you walk into any OR suite, you got sterile properties, being aware of your surroundings, knowing what's going on in a surgery. It has really helped a lot in order for me to, be able to perform as a student and also learn and pick up other new things from other preceptors and surgeons I've worked with. I feel like I learn more and more every day.
Respiratory therapists provide hands-on care that helps people recover from a wide range of medical conditions that affect the lungs. Whenever breathing is an issue, respiratory therapists are there. In the El Centro College Respiratory Care Program, students learn about and use the techniques and equipment needed in treating people with diseases such as asthma, emphysema, heart disease, and more. Respiratory therapists also provide emergency care to patients suffering from heart attacks, drowning, or shock. They work in almost every area of healthcare, with patients ranging from premature infants with undeveloped lungs to elderly patients with various conditions. Respiratory care is a health career with many available job openings, and El Centro is the only college in the Dallas County Community College District that offers the Respiratory Care Program Associates in Applied Sciences degree.
I took anatomy and physiology in high school, and I always knew at that point that I wanted to do something healthcare related. I came to El Centro because I heard of their program for the associates level, and then it was also the low cost as well, because I see El Centro as the first stepping stone into getting my associates. So after I get into the field and start working, I plan on advancing my degree, going for my bachelor's, and then I'll try to get my master's, then see how high I can get up from there.
Invasive cardiovascular technology is unique to El Centro College within the Dallas County Community College District. It is a challenging and fast-paced health career that is projected to be one of the fastest growing this decade. Invasive cardiovascular technologists work in cardiac catheterization labs, in which a small tube or catheter is threaded through the patient's artery from the groin to the heart. They assist cardiologists and vascular surgeons in procedures to not only diagnose, but also treat a variety of conditions. Invasive cardiovascular studies is a hybrid of disciplines: nursing, surgical technology, radiologic studies, all with a focus on cardiology. From the beginning of the program, students are immersed into the clinical setting, practicing on real patients and actual procedures. Students attend clinical rotations in various hospitals and medical centers around the DFW Metroplex.
And then the first time I did the first heart cath, it was just incredible. This whole feeling came over me, and I felt like Superwoman. And to be able to fix hearts, and I went home that day and called my mom. It's like, Mom, I fixed someone's heart today. We stented, we did a double balloon. It was so amazing. And every day I get to wake up, I get to put on my scrubs, head to clinicals, and just fix hearts. It's been so empowering.
For more information about these or any of the allied health programs offered at El Centro College, please visit us online at elcentrocollege.edu/healthcareers.